Number 1. Paper Tube Core Manufacturing Machine. Every roll you see, whether it's paper, plastic, fabric, or industrial film, relies on a silent hero at its center: a strong, reliable cardboard core. Without it, rolls would collapse, deform, or simply fail. And guess what? This machine produces that essential component with millimeter-level precision. Now that's critical. Here's the magic. Craft paper or sturdy cardboard sheets are fed into the machine, which applies just the right amount of adhesive, strong enough for durability, but never messy. Then the material glides through an automated rolling system, layering perfectly over a metal mandrel to form a dense, rock-solid cylinder. Yeah! The result? A core that withstands heavy weight, high pressure, and constant handling without losing shape. In mere seconds, flat sheets transform into precision-engineered cores, ready to be cut to custom lengths and thicknesses. Think about it. Massive textile rolls, vinyl, adhesive labels, even industrial toilet paper, all rely on these tubes. The business model? Almost too good to be true. Raw materials like craft or recycled paper are cheap, abundant, and easy to store. Yet the finished product commands high value, especially when you deliver consistent quality and tailored sizes. One contract with a paper mill or textile company can mean thousands of units per month, ensuring a rapid ROI. Target clients include textile industries, printing houses, plastic film manufacturers, and packaging companies. Want to stand out? Offer eco-friendly options: 100% recycled cores, sustainable adhesives, or reinforced tubes for heavy-duty applications. Reliability, precision, and durability are exactly what these clients are searching for. And this machine delivers all three. Investment? $15,000 to $40,000, depending on capacity, automation, and speed. Sounds hefty? Well, a single recurring client can cover it in months. Stability, scalability, and constant demand make this a business built to last.
Number 2. Corrugated Box Stitching Machine. Remember the last large package you received? Those industrial metal staples holding it together? That's the magic of a corrugated box stitching machine. Imagine an industrial-grade stapler powered by pneumatic or electric systems, inserting thick steel staples to join corrugated cardboard flaps with strength far beyond tape. Place the box, press a pedal or button, and bam! A clean, perfectly aligned, ultra-secure seal in seconds. Essential for heavy or high-value shipments, appliances, electronics, exports, this machine taps into a stable industrial market. Smart play? Partner with box manufacturers who lack stitching machines. They make the structure, you reinforce it, turning a simple service into a high-value solution. Investment? Manual models, $1,000 to $2,000, perfect for small workshops. Semi-automatic machines, $2,000 to $5,000, supporting continuous production. With a calibrated machine and targeted outreach to packaging and logistics companies, you enter a low-barrier, high-demand niche.
Number 3. Decorative Crinkled Paper Shredder. Ever unwrapped a gift and found colorful crinkled paper inside? That delightful protective filler comes from a decorative paper shredder and shaper. The machine cuts sheets, new or recycled, into thin, patterned strips, then rolls them to create voluminous, elastic, lightweight material. The result? Paper that cushions products while wowing the eye. Demand is massive. Florists, chocolatiers, gift shops, bakeries, and e-commerce brands all crave that unboxing wow factor. Margins? Incredible. Low production cost, sold by weight or volume with endless color and style possibilities. Go eco-friendly. Use recycled paper or biodegradable dyes, and you instantly capture conscious consumers. Perfect for online sales. Lightweight, easy to store, and cheap to ship. Compact machines start at $9,000. Industrial versions capable of processing tons daily exceed $20,000. With the trend towards sustainable, visually appealing packaging, this is a future-proof business. Number 4. Gift Box Manufacturing Machine. Packaging is now part of the experience. Decorative boxes have evolved into an emotional extension of the gift, and this machine turns that trend into profit. Fully automated, it takes cardboard or rigid paper sheets, cuts them with precision, folds accurately, and applies adhesive exactly where needed. Seconds later, voila! Perfectly assembled boxes ready for decoration or direct use. Advanced models include automatic folding and fast-drying glue systems for continuous output. Market enormous. Jewelry stores, bakeries, florists, boutiques, chocolatiers, and e-commerce businesses constantly seek fresh designs. Seasonal peaks, Christmas, Valentine's Day, Halloween, drive huge batch orders. Customization is the key. Logos, gold foil, embossing, themed finishes. Combine this with social media and e-commerce strategies, and your business can scale rapidly. Investment is modest, $2,000 to $5,000 for basic machines, ideal for small workshops or entrepreneurial ventures. Low operating costs, high demand, and endless design possibilities make this a premium packaging opportunity with global growth potential. Number 5. Used Clothing Shredder. Every year, millions of tons of used clothes, fabric scraps, and damaged garments end up in landfills, creating massive environmental problems. But here's the twist. What most see as waste is actually a gold mine waiting to be tapped. This machine transforms discarded textiles into valuable, versatile raw materials. Here's the magic. Garments enter the system and meet high-powered blades capable of shredding fibers, seams, and fabrics of all thicknesses. In seconds, whole clothes become light, fluffy, uniform material. Think soft fiber fluff or fine strands. Yep, this output isn't just waste, it's raw material for cushions, mattresses, furniture, pet beds, insulation, filters, and even recycled textiles. Market potential? Huge! Furniture manufacturers need affordable, resilient fillings. Pet product companies crave recycled fibers for beds and toys. Artisans and textile workshops can craft entirely new, sustainable products. Position your business as eco-conscious, and clients will happily pay a premium for green solutions. Investment? Moderate. Compact shredders for small workshops cost $4,000 to $7,500 and process substantial weekly volumes. Industrial models handle tons of fabric daily, unlocking significant, scalable profits. In today's circular economy, this machine doesn't just shred, it turns waste into sustainable, lucrative business opportunities.
Number 6. Tray Seeder Machine. Modern agriculture demands precision, efficiency, and productivity. The tray seeder revolutionizes planting, automating what once took hours of manual labor while ensuring optimal seedling quality. The result? Uniform, healthy trays ready to germinate in minutes, minimizing human error and drastically reducing seed waste. Target market? Massive! Nurseries, farms, greenhouses, horticulture companies all need thousands of seedlings each season. Providing pre-seeded trays saves time, boosts efficiency, and builds long-term contracts. Show them healthy, uniform trays, instant trust, repeat orders, and recurring revenue. Cost of entry? Low. Basic automatic seeders start around $1,000. Semi-automatic or higher capacity models reach $5,000. Add recurring delivery contracts and you recover your investment fast while maintaining a steady revenue stream. With this machine, you're not just selling seeds, you're selling efficiency, consistency, and sustainable growth.
Number 7. Ribbon Bow Making Machine. Bows may be small, but they elevate every gift, floral arrangement, or corporate package. This machine automates bow production, replacing labor-intensive manual work with speed, precision, and perfect consistency. The process is mesmerizing. The machine measures ribbon length, forms loops, and ties the knot all in seconds. Each bow is perfectly symmetrical, identical to the last. Professional quality results every single time. Clients? A wide range. Florists, event planners, party supply stores, packaging companies, and e-commerce brands seeking high-quality decorative products. Customization is key. Different colors, sizes, and seasonal themes, Christmas, Valentine's, Easter, Halloween, can boost sales dramatically during peak periods. Wholesale and distributor partnerships further expand revenue opportunities. Investment? $15,000 to $20,000 depending on model and production capacity. High demand seasons quickly recover upfront costs. Bottom line, this machine doesn't just make bows, it unlocks profitable opportunities in a market where presentation and aesthetics drive sales. Number 8. Beanie Knitting Machine. Some garments never go out of style, and beanies are a perfect example. From chilly winters to urban summer streets, this accessory remains a symbol of comfort, versatility, and street-style credibility. Behind every single beanie could be the power of one machine. Built for mass production, this machine delivers speed, consistency, and precision that manual knitting simply can't match. Using a circular knitting system, it transforms yarn into a finished hat with perfectly even edges, flawless stitches, and ideal elasticity. Your role? Load the yarn, select the pattern, and watch it work its magic. Yeah! Advanced models allow for mixing colors, textures, and thicknesses, or adding custom details like pom-poms, stripes, or embroidered logos. Revenue opportunities are nearly endless. Sell at local fairs, launch an online store, or supply schools, sports teams, or corporate clients with branded beanies. Today, beanies are more than warmth. They're a style statement. Add customization, embroidery, exclusive labels, premium packaging, and you boost margins while building a brand identity that signals quality and exclusivity. Remember, you're not just selling a hat. You're offering a product with style, story, and personality.
Number 9. Coco Peat Press Machine. What was once agricultural waste is now a profitable, sustainable business opportunity. Coconut shells, often discarded or burned, contain coir, a fiber with incredible potential. This machine compresses it into dense, uniform cocoa peat blocks, ready for gardening and hydroponics. The process is simple, but precise. Loose fiber is compressed with hydraulic pressure, forming solid, transportable blocks. When hydrated, they expand into a light, airy substrate, rich in water retention and nutrients, perfect for hydroponics, nurseries, urban farmers, and garden shops. Profitable and green. The market is booming. Nurseries, urban farmers, and garden shops are switching to peat to eco-friendly alternatives. Sell wholesale to distributors, create DIY grow kits, or market online emphasizing sustainability and natural origin. This machine turns waste into opportunity, making eco-consciousness a clear competitive advantage. Number 10. Biodegradable straw manufacturing machine. The shift away from plastic is unstoppable. Plastic straws are being replaced by biodegradable alternatives, and this machine embodies that change. It produces eco-friendly straws from paper or bioplastics like PLA with industrial precision. It extrudes the material into tubes, cools them for structure, and cuts to exact lengths. Advanced models can even bend straws, add colors, or print custom designs. Talk about versatility. The market is large and consistent. Cafes, restaurants, bars, and fast food chains, especially where single-use plastics are banned, need sustainable alternatives. Biodegradable, customizable straws attract businesses and eco-conscious consumers alike. Straws are high-turnover items, used millions of times daily, guaranteeing steady demand. Machines cost $12,000 to $15,000, and with the global push to replace plastic, ROI is fast. With this machine, you're not just making straws, you're participating in the green economy.
Number 11. Hot air seam sealing machine. In apparel, seams are often the weak point, especially in high-performance gear like rainwear, technical clothing, protective suits, or tents. This machine eliminates that risk using hot air and sealing tape, delivering airtight, professional, and durable seams. How it works? A special tape is applied over the seams, sealing garments against rain, wind, dust, and wear. The result? Reliable, ready-to-use products that enhance both durability and perceived value. The market is extensive. Outdoor apparel brands, uniform manufacturers, sports gear companies, and textile workshops. You can either create your own product lines or offer seam sealing as a service, charging per unit or per meter. Portable models cost around $2,000, full industrial versions up to $6,000. Profitability is rapid as every treated garment increases resale value significantly. Yeah, this machine doesn't just strengthen seams, it turns them into a selling point, boosting both reputation and product value.